How to set up secure folder on Samsung Galaxy A15 5G. By default, hide the secure folder on your device. You need to activate it. To access using app drawer, go to settings, scroll down, tap on security and privacy. Again scroll, tap on more security settings. At the top you can find the secure folder option. Tap on a secure folder. Now you can see welcome to secure folder. Tap on a continue. Now permission for access secure folder, calendar, contacts, photo, video, music, audio. Tap on a continue. Now creating secure folder. You can add file, photo, video, keep your app secure, lock the secure folder. Now wait until set up secure folder in a Samsung device. It will take time to set up secure folder on a Samsung device. It will helpful to move your photos, video safely to secure folder. So only you can access it. Also you can lock the secure folder. Now you can see set a pattern, pin or password to open secure lock. Here we select the pattern, set secure folder pattern, tap on a continue, tap on a confirm to confirm the secure folder. Now turn on reset with Samsung account if you forgot your secure folder pattern. Now tap on a next. Now you can see secure folder. Here you can add app to tap on a plus icon. Select the application you want to add. Here we select OneDrive, voice recorder. Now tap on add button to add apps to the secure folder. Now you can see add application to secure folder. You can see at the bottom secure folder icon. Tap on three dots. Here you can customize secure folder, sort, lock and exit, encrypt, add files, customize and settings. First let's see lock and exit. Now secure folder lock. Now you need to open app drawer and you can find the secure folder. Now tap on it. Now you need to confirm your pattern to access secure folder. So it will helpful to secure your app or data. Tap on three dot. Here you can see customize option. Here you can customize your secure folder name. Enter the name you want to set. Change the color of a secure folder. Here we select this. Tap on a. You can also change the icon of a secure folder like this. Here we select this icon. Also select color. Here we set this color. Now tap on apply. Now go back and you can change your secure folder color and icon. Tap on three dots again. Tap on settings. Here you can find this lock secure folder settings. Lock type you set, pattern, pin, fingerprint you want to use. Make pattern visible. Here you can turn off it so you can't see pattern. Auto lock secure folder. Select the time to auto lock secure folder automatically. When your screen turn off each time I leave app. Add secure folder to app screen. If you want to turn off it, you can't access secure folder using the app drawer. Also see other settings, notification, apps. So this is the all secure folder setting you can use on a Samsung device. That's it. If you like it, share it.